of Highway 161 that goes west into Centralia, but that road is blocked and we couldn't take it. So we're sitting here on the main highway, which appears to be so we're just north of 161 on Highway 37, and we're looking off to the west, and you can see the clouds rolling in the front and the bow part of the echo coming right at us. It should be pretty intense when it gets here. You can see the lightning off in the distance. Based on our calculations, the tornado that might have touched down in St. Louis was on a direct path to our location. But watch the tree line, you'll be able to see the lightning, the intensity of it, and it's going to keep getting closer until it's going to be right on top of us. Should we see a funnel or should we see a tornado on the ground, we'll certainly move in that direction, and the camera will be rolling at that point in time. The amount of lightning is pretty intense, so if there's anything, funnel cloud or tornado under this, we should be able to clearly see it through the lightning. To be honest with you, I absolutely hate nighttime chasing of tornado warned clouds. But you can see how intense and how fast these clouds are rolling in on us and the intensity of the lightning. Local time is 7:54 p.m. Central Time. In the location and the line and intensity of the storms are headed right towards us. While it may look like it's going south, the intensity of the lightning and the probability of a tornado is going to be located more directly in front of us or slightly to the north. I do not want to get north of the storm because that's where the hail is going to be the heaviest, if there is any. We'd like to stay out of the hail and stay on the south to southwest side as it passes. This is indicative of how the storms look in Illinois. We also see these type lowering and dark clouds out in the Midwest, in Oklahoma and Kansas. They're really great to see at night, but also a dangerous situation to be in if indeed these were very tornadic thunderstorms coming through. Now. Extremely intense winds. Hear the rain coming. I won't be able to stand out and film much longer. I may have to get back in the car. And the line of intense storms just aren't quite here yet. But they should be coming through just any minute.